I like this museum. Look at that cup. What's it made of?
It's made of gold.
And these little bottles, they're made of silver.
Actually, they aren't made of silver. They're made of glass.
Oh yes, very, very old glass.
Look and listen.
What's the cup made of?
It's made of gold.
What are the bottles made of?
The bottles aren't made of silver. They're made of glass.
Now it's your turn. Listen and answer. What's the house made of? That's right. It's made of wood. What are the animals made of? That's right. They're made of plastic. What's your pencil case made of? Well done!
Yay!
Dig, 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 diggery bones. Hear what's under rocks and stones. Studying the past, archaeology, to understand our history. Dig, 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 diggery bones. Hear what's under rocks and stones.
Hold my arm, Emily! It's the night when the moon makes the sea move.
The night of Sirius.
Here it is. This is the secret message. Stand up, Bones. I need your help.
The baloney stone! You were carrying it in your bag!
What about the water?
The inside of my bag's made of plastic.
Cleopatra, the Queen of Kings. Of course! The water completely covered her palace.
And her treasures. There are bowls made of silver and cups made of gold.
The black dog watches the secret door. Push the sleeping snake next to it.
Here it is. Ooh, good dog.
It's dangerous to joke about Sirius, Brutus. He is an excellent watchdog.
Those bowls are made of glass.
I don't want glass. I want gold.
Don't touch that, Brutus!